Karag, welcome back to my vlog. Isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Mula dito sa Lasak City, na late ako sa kaganapan ngayon sa mundo ng beauty pageant dahil lagapak ang katawang lupa ni Kuragan. Eto na naman, buhay na naman ang ating mga espiritu sa pagkachismosa, sa mga chismis na pinag-uusapan sa mundo ng beauty pageant sa social media na kung saan kita niyo naman sa ating menopausal galore, distraction lock, diba? Faka kay si Kuragan, galing kaya akong Milky Way. Dahil doon nga ngayon ang center of attraction sa chismisan dahil nagsisimula na ang Miss Universe Indonesia 2024 at official na nga nilang nilahad ang kanilang mga kandidatang maglalaban sa corona sa Miss Universe Indonesia 2024. Nung i-check ko isa-isa yung mga kandidata nila, mga karag-karag, Puya Gaba, galore lang po, mga arang-arang biyaga may vitsura, pero hindi ko talaga masasabi na wow galore yung mga beauty nila. Parang very common na lang, ganun. So may tatlo or apat yata akong napupusuan ng mga kandidata na sabi ko, ay eto pwede itong ilaban sa mga Latina sa Mexico. At naging mahigpit din kalaban ni Chelsea Manalo kung pala rin nga ang mga kandidatang to na masungkit ang Miss Universe Indonesia 2024 crown. So para makilala natin itong mga karag-karag, itong malakasan nilang frontrunner, nako may pa-interview galore na nagaganap, kaya panoorin natin ng isa-isa at kayo na mamili kung sino yung sa tingin nyo napupusuan ninyong, ay eto pwede itong ibala sa kanyon sa Mexico. Let's watch.
Hello, I'm Nadia Chua. My age is 30 years old. I'm not married, and a little bit about myself is that my hobby is boxing / Muay Thai, and I've been doing pageantry for a long time. And I'm so excited to be here to meet everyone and to meet all the judges. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Karen Afralia. I'm 24 years old and I'm currently in a relationship. A fun fact about me is that I've had the unique experience of living and growing up in 6 different countries before finally moving and settling down in Indonesia. So I've worked as a model, entrepreneur and host for the past 5 years now, and I speak 3 languages fluently and 2 others relatively well. So I'm really excited to be joining Miss Universe Indonesia because I feel that I'm a modern Indonesian woman with a voice for change, which is why I created my own charity, Satu Langkah Satu Karya, which focuses on orphans in need in Indonesia and their access to education, healthcare, and opportunities. I think that together we can make a real difference. Thank you.
Hola, I'm Fina Sitorus. 25 years ago, I was born in my hometown, North Sumatra. I am single, and fun fact about myself, a lot of people think that I am mixed, but I am a 100% Indonesian. Bataknese blood, pure. And I'm nervous right now. My heart is racing, but I'm so excited to meet all the judges, make new friends, and of course, make another journey in Miss Universe Indonesia 2024. See you!
Hello everyone, my name is Clara Shah. I am 22 years old. I'm currently single, and one fun fact about me is that I grew up in several countries such as Australia, Thailand, Germany, and Indonesia. So I have an international background. And today I'm feeling quite nervous, but I'm definitely excited for this step forward in Miss Universe 2024. Thank you!
Hello, my name is Fiza Han. I am 23 years old. My marital status is single. A little fun fact about myself is that, well, I love gardening. I find that it's my hobby and I find it so therapeutic to water my plants every single morning. I like to also grow leaves which we use for cooking, spices such as curry leaves, rosemary. It's my hobby. And then also for how I feel about today's competition, or audition we could say, honestly, I'm feeling a little bit nervous. This is something that I'm super excited about and something that I've always dreamed about. So there's a little bit of nerves kicking in, but I know I'm going to do great. Thank you.
Ano mga karag-karag, narinig at napanood na ninyo ang malakasang frontrunners sa Miss Universe Indonesia 2024. Sino sa mga kandidatang to, mga karag-karag, sa tingin nyo may malakas na karisma, malakas na beauty na itapat sa mga Latina at maging flag barrier, tama ba? Tama, flag barrier ng Asia. Kung mali ako, comment down below. Alam niyo naman yung brain cell membrane ni Kuragan, 50-50 below the ground. Gusto ko rin matuto. Kaya, thank you for watching mga karag-karag, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Kuragan Karag, ang babaeng laging nagkrakrag sa chismisan kahit late yan. Lumalaban to sa para sa pangkabuhayan. Showcase sa kaunlaran ng ekonomiya. Diha na mo. Good night, everyone.